The cost of a circular table is directly proportional to the square of the radius. A circular table with a radius of 40 centimetres costs £50. What is the cost of a circular table with a radius of 60 centimetres? So the cost is directly proportional to the square of the radius. So we've got the cost, we've got the radius, and it's the square of the radius. So the cost is going to be something r squared. And I need to figure out what that something is. A circular table with a radius of 40 costs £50. So 40 squared is 1,600, and I need to figure out how do I get from 1,600 to 50. So if we do it backwards, 50 divided by 1,600 is, we're timesing by 0.03125. So I've then got what is the cost of a circular table with a radius of 60. So the first thing is I need to do, that's r, so I need to figure out what r squared is. So 60 times 60 is 3,600, and I need to follow the arrow like I did previously and times by 0.03125. And that gets me 112.5. So my total cost is £112.50.